Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add a new product to your e-commerce online store. So we are gonna do it in the following steps. In the first step we are gonna go to the dashboard, and here you have to hover over product and click on add new. Okay, after clicking on add new you will be redirected over here. Here in the first field you have to give the name of the product. Suppose my product name is watch. So I have give the name to the product as watch. In the next it says this section. So in this section we actually add long description of the product. This can be included the benefit of the product, the feature of the product. So you can put long description here. In my case I don't have I just want to show you as a demo, so I am just writing this long description. The next thing that you have to choose is check any category that is relevant to this. So I am putting it in accessories category. The next step is to add the tag. Tags actually help the products in searching. Like people will be easy to search this product related to watch. So I'm just gonna put it watch I have added some tag. In the next step we are gonna choose product tag. So this is simple product. I'm gonna give it 100 euro price. The price of the product will be 100 euro, and if I want to make it on sale, so I'm gonna give it 90 dollars. You can also schedule the product. You're gonna select the date and then the end date of sale, and this is done. In the inventory you can also manage the stock. Suppose there are 30 watches right now, and when the quantity of the product becomes 2, you will be notified about the product. You can also select give it some dimension, weights, etc. depending on you. The next thing we can add is short description. So I don't have any short description. I am just gonna show you where this is the short description place. So you're gonna give some short description over here. In the next step we're gonna add the product featured image. So let's suppose I'm gonna add this picture as the featured image. I add this picture, and for product gallery images, like you can add more than one image. So here's the place. I'm just gonna add these images for the gallery. Let's suppose I added them as the gallery image. And the next and final step that you are gonna do is publish the product. Let's refresh the store page of the website, and so as you guys can see that the product is added to the store. The category, it shows accessories, watch, name of the product. This is actually the discounted price, and it gives you the discount in percentage form. And let's click on the product. So as I write the short description, so short description will be shown over here. 30 in stock, and long description please. You can change the images as well. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for regular updates and features. Thank you guys, good luck.